Chrysler 300 in need of some serious paint correction. Our customer wanted to see if we could restore the shine back to his car. The paint is dull, slightly oxidizing with severe swirl marks. We have our work cut out for us, but it's not a problem at DoubleTake Auto Spa of Fremont. Restoring vehicles back to a swirl-free shine is what we do best. We're going to perform 1. Biodegradable wash, 2. Clay bar treatment, 3. 2-stage paint correction, 4. Protect it with Ceramic Pro Bronze 2 years protection. Let's check out the results. Wow! Our customer couldn't believe his eyes. Look at the rich, deep shine that he will enjoy for 2 years. Simply stunning. This is a true transformation. We saved him thousands of dollars by not having to get his car repainted. Another super happy customer. Call us today. You'll be glad you did.